Fundamania at the Trader Dome in Miami, Florida, a day where our guests at this time will never forget. I'm talking about the Intercontinental Champion and Macho Man, Richie.
Nothing means nothing, yeah?
Nothing means nothing. What do you mean by that?
Nothing means nothing. I'm talking all the way to the top, brother. Unjustifiably in a position that I would rather not be in. But the cream always rises to the top. I took $200 and turned it into a $25,000 TFT funded account. With the odds stacked against Macho Man, Richie Savage, we at the Funded Trader can offer you more than any other evaluation firm in the world.
Well, you heard it here, folks. TFT, the cream of the crop, rises to the top.